How to get started on WEBTOON Canvas. In order to get started, all you need is a WEBTOON account. Open the WEBTOON on the browser. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar. Type in webtoons.com. Press enter. You'll be led to the official website of WEBTOON. Make sure you're logged in to your account. If you do not know how to create your account, you can simply create it via email, Google, Facebook, etc. Follow through the prompts and your account will easily be created. After you create the account, you can get started on WEBTOON Canvas. Click on this option dashboard that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be led to the WEBTOON Canvas dashboard. You can start creating the series over here. Click on the option Create Series. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create the series. First, select the source language. Click on the field of source language. Select the language over here. Now select the series title. Enter the summary. Choose the category. You can choose up to 2 categories. Scroll down. Upload the thumbnail. Click on the option Select File. Now you can select the file from your device over here. Click on the picture of your choice and click on the option Open. Once you do that, scroll down. You'll have to do the content rating self-assessment. Select the option for violence. You can see various options. Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, select for others too. You can also see the option for regional and cultural sensitivities. You can see various questions over here. Click on the options if you have included this kind of sensitivities. Now you'll have to see the agreement. Check on all of these 3 boxes. You're basically agreeing to terms of use, privacy policy, etc. Now click on the option Create Series. After you do that, the series will be created. You can go ahead and add the episodes. Like this, you can get started on WEBTOON Canvas. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.